Hello students. An important question oil exam 2025 or mechanical diesel part 3 number important MCQ internal and external combustion engine day both important question hoy so besi homo nosto nokobile arombo korobolo question kini. Which of the following is an example of internal combustion engine? Diesel engine, petrol engine, steam engine, jet engine. Steam engine the correct answer. Steam engine মানে এবিলা boiler বা oil boiler বিলা fitting কৰা থাকে আপোনালোকে হেবিলাকে steam engine হয়. So next question. Classification of IC engines. A diesel engine is classified as a spark ignition engine যোনটো SI engine বুলিও কোৱা হয়. Compressor ignition engine CI engine বুলিও কোৱা হয়. External combustion engine rotary engine কি হ'ব আনসাৰটো কক. A diesel engine is classified as কি হ'ব কক. Compression ignition engine বুলি কোৱা হয় দেই. So next question. 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine. How many crankshaft revolution occur in one complete circle of a 4-stroke engine? 1, 2, 3, 4 বুলি কৈছে দেই. So revolution কেটা হয় বুলি কৈছে 4-stroke 2 বুলি কৈছে. ঠিক আছে. Next question. In a 2-stroke engine, how are gases exchanged? Through valves, through port, using the turbocharger, through the carburetor. Answer about through ports. So next question. Diesel CI versus spark ignition SI engine. Which fuel is typically used in a compression ignition CI engine? Petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG. Diesel is the correct answer. The ignition is an SI engine initiated by compression of air, a spark plug, glow plug, pre-combustion chamber. Answer about a spark plug. Main part of an IC engine. Which component converts reciprocating motion to rotational motion? Piston, crankshaft, camshaft, connecting rope. Crankshaft is the correct answer. Basi homo nosto kobile moi mankhini mane jiman joldi heko paro timan joldi mo bhal lage bostuto because exam bahut joldi mane bahut palehi aru duar mukhote ase toktokai ase so hekana moi bechi mane আপোনালোকে যদি আনসাৰ দিব বিচাৰে পোষ্ট কৰি পেলাই আনসাৰটো দিব পাৰে কমেন্ট বক্সত যাতে মই জানো যে আপোনালোকে পাৰিছে আৰু চাইছে ভিডিওটো আৰু বুজিছে মানে এটলিষ্ট সেইকাৰণে মই অলপ মানে সোনকালে মানে পঢ়িবলৈ মই অলপ কমপ্লিট কৰিছো so which part is not a core component of an IC engine? Piston, turbocharger, valve, connecting rod. The answer about turbocharger is the correct answer. Turbocharger is not a core component of IC engine. Turbocharger definition জানে না আপোনালোকে চাই লব অলপ দেই direct versus indirect injection. Direct injection system in diesel engine inject fuel into the pre-combustion chamber, intake manifold, cylinder head, combustion chamber directly. Answer hobo combustion chamber directly. Next question. Which injection method offer higher fuel efficiency? Indirect injection, direct injection, port injection, total body injection. Answer about direct injection. Direct injection is the correct answer. Next question. Technical terms. The ratio of the total cylinder volume to clearance volume is called bow stroke compression ratio, displacement. Answer about compression ratio. Compression ratio is the correct answer. Then next question. Total volume swept by all piston in an engine is termed as clearance volume, compression ratio, displacement bore. Displacement is the correct answer. So next question. The dashboard আপোনাৰ dashboard instrument the tachometer measures vehicle speed, engine RPM, fuel level, distance travel. Engine RPM is the correct answer. Tachometer. A red warning light shaped like a battery indicates. A red warning light shaped like a battery indicates কি হ'ব কক low fuel engine overheating, charging system fall, seat belt reminder. Answer হ'ব charging system fall. Starting and stopping diesel engine. Glow plug are used in diesel engine too. কি হ'ব কক এইটো বহুত ইজি হয় দেই যোনবিলাকে নোৱাৰিছে অলপ আৰু অলপ আপোনালোকৰ কষ্ট কৰিব লাগিব কিন্তু আৰু যোনবিলাকে পাৰিছে অলপ গমাব যে আপোনালোকে অলপ প্ৰিপেয়াৰ হৈ আছে glow plug are used in diesel engine to reduce emission, improve efficiency, air coil, starting, lubricating cylinder. Coke air coil starting. How answer. Stopping a diesel engine. Stopping a diesel engine typically involves cutting engine ignition, blocking the air intake, cutting fuel supply, disconnecting the battery. Cutting fuel supply. Dismantling a diesel engine. The first step is dismantling an engine is draining fluid, disconnecting the battery, removing the exhaust system, leveling component. Answer about disconnecting the battery. Why is draining fluid critical before dismantling? Answer about to reduce weight, to prevent leak and contamination, to reuse the fluid, to access the internal part. Answer about to prevent leak and contamination. So next question, mixed topic. Mixed topic what কেটামান mixed topic হয় তো গোটে জাবৰা মানে সব mix হৈ আছে আৰু গোটে মেকানিকেল ডিজেল question খিনি. Which engine types uses a carburetor? CI, SI, both CI and SI. So SI engine the carburetor use কৰা হয় SI engine ত, compressed engine ত নকৰা হয়. The term bore refer to the piston movement, cylinder diameter, crankshaft rotation, valve timing. Answer হ'ব cylinder diameter. So এইখিনি question আছিলে. So ভাল লাগিলে যদি লাইক এটা কৰিব, শ্বেয়াৰ এটা কৰিব, ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব এটা কৰিব আৰু লিখি দিব কমেণ্ট বক্সত ভাল লাগিলে বুলি. থেংক ইউ ফৰ ৱাচিং দিছ ভিডিঅ' এণ্ড বেষ্ট অফ লাক ফৰ ইয়ৰ এক্সাম, কামিং এক্সাম.